Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and I'm here at my new place in Dubai next to the beach. An amazing apartment, I really love it here. But let me show you what we are going to talk about today. It's called Avion Finance, and it's a hyper deflationary Defi and NFT auto staking protocol, and it works on the Binance chain, as you can see here. And it's also audited by Certic, for example, and for Mod Society. How to get started? How does it work? You buy the token, You buy the token, the Avion token, using the Binance Smart Chain network on Orbital SS, And then you can, you don't have to, but you can mint NFTs, You can mint up to 3 NFTs using BUSD. No sunk cost. Your NFTs will be fully tradable on our own proprietary marketplace. Then you just relax and claim. As you can see on Twitter, they already have 8,255 followers. And look here, the NFT collection. This will be up to 15,000 pieces. And there are different tiers. The coach tier gives you 99,999% APY, and you have an 80% chance that your NFT is in this tier. Then we have the business class tier, that will give you 199,999% APY. You have a 50% chance that your NFT will be in this tier. And then we have the first class tier. That means you will get 399,999% APY, and you have a 5% chance that your NFT will be in this tier. They also have a pretty nice anti-damp lock. That means you can sell up to 1% of your tokens per day. You can sell 1% daily or hold until the 7th day and have the ability to sell 10% of your tokens then, It will stay at 10% until you sell, so it will not increase or decrease, but if you hold it for 7 days, then you can sell 10%, Additionally, this anti-dump mechanism will allow for huge price discovery and bolster the protocol to other through upwards price action, And they also have a so-called, let's call it revolutionary treasury. That means with multiple revenue streams on top of the buy and sell taxes, Avion revolutionizes the rebase token space by focusing on creating a protocol that's hyper-deflationary and creates truly passive income for investors. This is done by increasing the percentage of taxes that goes to the burn wallets and making 50% of the treasury committed to buy back burns and establishing a trading range. So here you can see the roadmap. I will put the link in the description if you want to read it. Let me show you. The DApp will look like this, and actually it's pretty new. It's today. It's the 28th of June. You can buy it starting today. Let me show you. If you hold only the tokens, you will get 5,000% APY. But if you have the tokens plus the NFT, I showed you before, there are 3 different tiers of NFTs, you will get 99,999 up to 399,999,000 APY percent APY, And the anti-dump lock, I told you before, you have a 1% daily sell allowance, and if you don't sell for 7 days, then you will be able to sell 10%, Here you can see the white paper. I will put the links in the description. Here are the different APYs of the different tiers of the NFTs. And here you can see, for example, the pre-sale info. As you can see, it's today. Today is the 28th of June. You will be able to buy them pre-sale. Pre-sale starts today, And the public NFT pre-sale will start on the 1st of July, You can get all the infos here. And staking, it will be auto-staked, and rebases will be every 30 minutes. The taxes, you can also see here, buy tax is 10%, sales tax 20%, transfer tax 40%. So this could be an interesting investment opportunity. As always, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not giving you the advice to invest in this project. Always do your own research before you invest in anything like this. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them in the comments, and see you.